No, nani animals.
Surprise, gani ka mo.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
For how many persons, sir?
Kuan, 2 adult. Sino mo? Oh, diyan eh.
Page.
Ito lang i-height ng baby.
Ano yung comment?
Please, pwede pa bilhin. Okay. Bawal ba mo?
Tulong sa 100. Tulong ka regular sa kanila. Ma'am, yung gusto ko din bracket, ma'am. Computer, ano, ma'am? 50 kung 100 kung combo, ma'am.
100 combo.
Ah, yes. 550 na lang, ma'am.
Duhaon na lang, duhaon mo feed sila. Duha ka combo.
This is for the... 650
Sure na rin mo assist na to. Asa mo mo feed, no?
For the pig duck and sheeps.
Okay.
Discounted, ma'am. Regular. One, ma'am. Birds.
Ah, okay. Ano naman ang bird show, ma'am, no?
130, ma'am.
Ah, 130?
Yes, ma'am. Makapas na mo.
Ah,
130, ma'am.
Picture ka to.
Tulo for 50, 550, 6, 750. 750.
Tulo ko na tulo. Isa. 3 times 150 equals plus 100.
Yeah. Ay, uli na. Yeah.
750.
Plus 100. 750, sir. Walang ticket na 100.
Happy for the moon. Can you wash your hands first?
Ah, okay.
Before you proceed, wash your hands. Dali ah. Wash your hands, dali. Oh. You wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Ito, pikas ka.
Jacket. Ready, sir?
Kuya. Ah. Go inside go. Go inside go. Hindi na, picture naman dito ng videos.
Hindi, mabaas!
Big, pwede naman.
Right, let's go wash your one.
Nag-vlog dire kay hikap to ni. Hikap.
Ah, version na, come here. Away.
Yagon ni.
Ah, dito na, down to. Version na, come here. Si Jimmy. Oh, super, super.
Ayaw lang ni sir.
Bro.
Yan.
And spotlight.
Ay,
So, bro, guys, this duck came from Montebello Hotel as an egg and hatched in labs.
Chika man. Itong manok.
At least settle down also, guys. Please settle down. Up next, take a notch, shall we, for our agile family African gay parrot, Walker, and Awesome. These birds are bright in color gray, and the red-tailed feathers can be found in Central Africa. This bird can mimic human voice. So that's it, our two lovely the African gray parrot, Walker, and Awesome. To officially set, let's call it our flag is bird racing. Gracie is a bird and gold cup. Gracie. Certificate known as Arab can live up to 60 to 70 years of age. So that's it for show our official started. So round applause our flag racing bird racing. So hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Nabo. I'm your host for today's show. And welcome to Tabs 25 Show.
Bro, Gian.
So guys, every year an object is a ring. So let's call him Zelensky to show us how intelligent this world. And please settle down, everyone. Please settle down. Sir, please settle down. So Zelensky also a blue and gold color. Blue and gold macaw can be found in the woodland and forest in South America. Particularly in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. They love to eat seeds and fruit, such as apple, grapes, banana, and papaya. So, Zelensky doing is shorting this ring of J. Rowland's choice. How intelligent they are in the wild or in the activity. As you can see, blue and gold macaw shaded with blue in his back, a solid gold in chest, and solid black feet. So last three, Zelensky. So guys, ito i-cheers si Zelensky guys. Kaya may vacancy ha. Let's go Zelensky! Let's go! Let's go! There you go. So around us, our intelligent birds. Zelensky. Now, this time we introduce you our pair of Eclectus parrot. Because of the sexual reason, meaning you can distinguish or so guys, natanong mo asa man ang male and asa ang female ang dua? Asa man? Very good. So green one is a male and the red one is a female. In shirt and that is Rona. So do you know guys that parrots are monogamous, meaning they only leave one partner for the rest of their life. So sana all no loyal. So that's it, our pair of Eclectus parrot. Correct. Now this time we introduce you our three kinds of kakadu here at Tabs 25. First is our Bulukan kakadu, followed by our umbrella kakadu, and lastly our silver-crested kakadu. So let's start. The train Jerolan is our Moluccan kakadu named Asa. And we found in surround archipelago of eastern Indonesia. also known as salmon dew, where the babies among the white kakadu. Scientific name, Kakatuan molossenses. Here with me is our umbrella kakadu named Zaki. All the great white-breasted kakadu. So guys, kung gitawag na siya umbrella kakadu, because kaniyang head, kaniyang nasa crest, looks like an umbrella. Lastly, Richard Vincent as our silver-crested kakadu. Wala. From the far edge of the tropical rainforest of eastern Australia. Known for their snoopy grass. So guys, all of guys are say great. Let's go, trainer. So in general, kakadu raise their crest by sign of communication or mood, whether it's threatened, happy, or in. So guys, ang crest guys, kanang yellow sa name.
Bro, Jian. Familiar ang script?
So hold on. Are you okay today? Uy, okay daw. Are you sure? Sure na? Oh, sure na, sure. So nakakabili yung last trick si Ola. Let's go, trainer. We'll go next. Oh, talented Ola ka. Awesome trainer. Parehas na sa trainer guys. Ako ba? Also, Ramos, Ola, Vicky, Kakatuk, Ola, Zaki, and Asa. Now this time, I need an adult volunteer. Kasi ginahan mo volunteer niya, I need an adult. Adult po, sir?
Wake up.
Sir? That's your name, sir. Welcome to task part. And please face me. Follow trainer Vincent instruction. That's time for that arm, sir. Relax na, sir. Relax. Sir, do you have any idea what will happen? So, dagan ka idea, sir. Nay, bibig ko dahil, sir. Kung grabe na, okay lang mo? Okay lang. Sure. No hard feelings, ha? Whatever happens, sir, don't move or swing your arm. So, any last word to say? Now, let's go on. Our brother is back. Can be found in Southeast Asia, from in the Philippines, locally known as Bandung or Lawi in the Visayas region. This bird had fish, so animals, snake, bird. So bring your best pose and smile for your lovely bird. If familiar mo ng bird, so mga ng bird na show sa logo ni Kuya Kim na mata na hari. So our applause, our volunteer, lovely bird. So guys, who knows the 3 R's in proper waste disposal? Is to reduce, reuse, and relax lang uban. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Now that's one plus to show us how to proper waste disposal. So around the world, we're losing this lovely bird because of pollution, food poisoning, and spiritual need. Only save them through conservation effort. So always remember guys, to reduce waste, reuse plastic, and recycle everything we can. See, if the birds can do it, so...
Di mo kaon dong. Ah, dong ay. Nagiloktok dong.
Sunflower seeds ang kakaon. Nabusog na. Oh, buti basukod dito.
Oo, ano tanga to picture.
Oh, makasukod eh.
Ano tanga to picture?
Awa.
Oo. Picture tadi.
Have you ever walked? Oh, ni ka.
Pika.
Baba,
Pika.
black sheep.
Pika.
Baba man na grass.
Mana
Ay,
mana.
grass na kainin.
Okay.
Grass, pakaon mo grass. Ano ba?
Hey, is this grass?
Oh.
Is this?
Ah, Jury di. Ay, bakit? One by one lang. Yaman ang anak dong. Oh. Pwede mo makata siyang walnut mo niyang walnut. Oh, nagsara ta kahikapan niya. Oh, nice ganyan mo ni himuong kuan niya.
Picture it.
Kanang mga coat na.
Dali picture.
Picture.
Dali picture daw.
What's that? Super bowl? Try. Buaya! Lalay man na. Try ko. Kung saan makapit kay buaya.
Dili camera. Dili. Ay cut.
Ah?
Ah.
Asa man? Sir. Tol! Asa ni?
Kani. Nah, ano hold hold. Ano? Ano hold. Nah. Okay, hatag. Oh, ni eat turtle oh, okay.
Diet. Fruit.
Ito to ulit turtle.
Kaon na.
Ito ulit turtle. Oh. Ano tagak?
Excuse me. Hello, I give you carrot.
Hindi na mo eat carrots.
So, di na give butang dira.
Nade. Oo, carrots le.
Hello, I give you carrot. Sekanti ka carrot. Ah? Di, ayo, dahil ayurot, di.
Carrot yan na, carrot.
Lole!
Green.
Dali na. Itagak na. Give na niya. Kamu Ihi ang kuan. Gaya na mag-ihi. Big turtle ba? Big gayo. What's them? Oh, big gayo.
Turtle! Turtle! Di ako ang gani.
Hindi na mo eat anak. Let's go down. Go down. Datang na to kuya.
Ah?
Dari ko.
They go good. They go good.
Touch mo. Kuha na. Touch mo.
Na, ganun na. Yakadok ko, anak.
Turtle. Big na turtle.
Dako kaya. Ko na.
Ano pa?
Nanaman basta.
Ayun, lagi daw.
Kami na. Ha?
Ano na itong panggulan niya?
Na, ha?
Apa je? Keep seeds ah. Ano ba? Paduol no.
Ako si Carol.
Give siya mo. Ah. Ge. Paduol ba anak ba? Ano ba me?
Katong bird. Ang katong kuan G kana G. Flowers.
Ano, lokasi o ba? Di mo na mamaakot, hindi man makakaabot yung kuhan, ba?
Roger.
Baboy ra mo. Yan ra. Para masod yung mouth ba na ba?
Sa piko?
Nga.
Ayaw.
Beto rin nila ito itanong.
Ipapi.
May yung dagbo ako. No? May kayo yung dagbo.
Kaon na kuan ni nila daw uno.
Atik na ito.
Ayo mo na ro ya.
Atik na ito.
Ay, yun. Malo eh. Yan na lang. Suko. Wait lang, wait.
Just wait. Ano dito?
Ayaw na, Jim. Mapakan ka na, Jim.
Di sila pellets po. Don't feed the pea fowls.
Ah, okay. Ah, di some flowers. Done na, done na. There's more pa.
Dili na mo rin na.
Yes, shanks, no.
Ay, baboy ra mo.
Lolo ni gawa sa.
Ano, ligawas ang baboy.
Hello.
Wala yung mga pellets. Pellets na yan, pellets. Or kana siya, kana. Carrots.
Pellets.
This one sa bird ni.
Ito, pellets, oh.
Anang gagmay na po. Ano lang ka scared mo ka?
Kani ako karot.
No, this one o kaniba. Anang gagmay ba this one? Anang gagmay. Ayan, nasa bird ni.
Ako sumba. Dagan, Jay, dagan. Jay, dagan. Dagan, Jay,
Ikadugay magkakahatag mo.
dagan ka din ba?
Ka dito tao, bird. Dito inside ta. Picture sa tabi.
Okay, ato tayo bubo.
Dito picture tao. Kung tabi.
Na may seizure? Darang
Dami.
Pasal ang building ha, fly.
Fly.
Fly pa mo bro.
Dati mangiti.
Kanang bird sunflower seeds sir, manalang flower. Maduos ang mga.
Nakay sa flower, J.
Hatag ang sunflower seeds.
Nasa din ang mga itin.
Sa picture din ta kay
Ay.
mangiti dali.
Ayaw, ana, J. Ana sa hands.
Ay, picture ta, picture.
More.
Dali na.
More, nak, more. Yan, lang. Doon na sila nakasi.
Oh.
Nanay sa
Sila.
Yeah, picture sa mga.
Ano ni Aya?
Okay, 1, 2. Wanag just lang nga mo, lingaw na. Dili lagi siya makaon lagi.
Di man siya mukhaon.
Ay.
Busog siguro to?
Okay, sa kailangan.
Ah, ninana gid na sila.
Mag-biting lang.
Hoy.
Wala si Rana, kano ba yung mangot?
Mama.
Nagawa ba?
Nasa na mangot? Tanay, sakit na.
Wala.
Hey, tanay, be, hey, hey. Hey. Hey, ayun, Jay, ayaw.
Eh, makaon na yung kuwan. Makaon.
Okay, then.
Wala naman.
Let's go, let's go.
Wala sila ni Kaon
Thank you.
na.
Ato pika sir, kana
Ay,
ang
sana
dagko.
na siya sa pudding.
Oh, dagko.
Dagko.
Thank you.
Next.
Let's go inside. Let's go outside. Lingaw mga bata.
Bata niyo. Okay, next.
Later na ilang kinabdi pa man kita.
Yes.
Oh, sis.
Ante siya sa big. Big na rapat.
Ay, sa tadje kay Init di.
Awag di.
Ay, snake Joe, no? Snake Joe.
Wala lagi nini lagi pagbuhot. Itong kuon din. Ano lagi sa kuon. Siguro rin. Itong kuon din. Nasa may picture sa ito na tataas.
Yes.
Nanda na. Hamster boy, rabbit man ko. Oh, yeah, snake yun.
Namuhi niya tatong kuwan, rabbit.
Ano, angay na lang yun.
No, kay dili baho ba?
Ako sa to.
Lako ko di wapo ko ng rabbit.
Di picture, Jay. Ano, di ba? Ito may pabutang.
Go, go inside, go.
Ako yung nag-entertain lagi.
Ha?
Kaya na, natin sila magkira.
You eat carrot.
Slowly lang na. Kanang carrots na. Kanang carrots. The orange one. Carrots ba? Yeah. Slowly lang siya. Kanay lang.
Gani oh, nagawa sa yung ulo.
Ipot lang, Jay. Jay. Pag-careful lang ko. Abot lang, anak. Na, ipot na lang. Mana, dana. Dana. Bigyan na lang. Jay, bukod man si Tulog.
Bukod siya?
Ayaw na dong. Ayaw na nak. Pinag-eat na nak.
Ayaw ko ang kamo.
Carrots man na ilan na. Oo na. Mas buwan sila sa carrots. Bani, gani. Bags-balo mo. Careful lang di kayo masama.
tara sa ulit ng tumit. Ipili.
Di, unsa ni di? Mangga?
Pili. 5 ako.
Marcus, ano man?
Matama JJ.
Okay?
Just touch just touch the rabbit and then get the food, okay?
Ang imo siguro sleeper G kay orange. DJ. Ako siguro kayo. Ito sila kuhaan mo ang sleeper. Carrot. Picture mo dyan lang. Sit down dyan lang.
Wala, lupot pa ako ng kuladaya pero na.
Carrot lagi. Lagi ka ng orange eh. Dali na G. Dali na G. Ah, dali na. Go out na.
Gentle na. Gently.
Hindi na siguro kay orange yung
Orange mo ba dyan slippers?
Wala na. Hey! Hey! Wala. Nao ka ni? Like what that?
Give to.
Ah?
I-give to ato.
Ah?
I-give pa to. Ano ay? Ano lang. Ayaw na. Katura. Give. Allah. Allah, away. Galal, Allah. Give. Padis lang mag-away. Give. Luwi kayo. Hatag ni mama. Gila. Gila, oh. Sakit tak? Nah, diit na.
Go! Rabbit, go, rabbit. Eat. Can eat.
Diit ka na din na. Gapo na. Gapo. Gi. Gila. Gi. Eat. Gurot na. Gurot na ng ate ko.
Ha?
Atay na ng ate.
Everyone.
Ikaw, give ng ate ko.
Rabbit.
Iyo, mabakat na.
Good. Hey, rabbit.
Ayun na. Get your hands.
Ha?
Hikap na. Touch. Gi. Give ng ate ka. Na ate. Give ate. Give ate. Give ni ate. Wait. Na, butang. Ma'am, palago. Ha?
Thank you.
Kami. Dali na. DJ. Summer. Ano dyan? What? Hindi lang, focus. Tsura ni Kabe.